Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Information and tap on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now just click on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to delete one of your contacts, just click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!